Yeah, hello everyone. Welcome to another session on Learn Yoruba Online. In this session, I'm going to be taking you on the sentence structure and conjunction in the Yoruba language. Because for every language of the world, there are structures that their sentences follows, which are sometimes SVO, which is subject, verb, and object, or SOV, which is subject, object, and verb. But Yoruba actually follows the same pattern as we have it in English, which is SVO, that is subject, verb, and then the object. So I'm going to be taking you to some examples of words that we have in the Yoruba language. And then the first one I'm going to be talking about is John killed the goat. In the subject position can have a pronoun or a proper noun. So now the first word that we use to explain, we have John killed the goat. John killed the goat, and it goes as Joanna pa ewúrẹ́ náà. Joanna pa ewúrẹ́ náà. If you see the letters I'm using to explain it to you, you see that I'm using the same color for the same word. So just look at it so that you can understand better and increase your linguistic diction of the Yoruba language. John killed the goat. Joanna pa ewúrẹ́ náà. Evelyn likes sugar. Evelyn fẹ́ràn sugar. Evelyn likes sugar. Evelyn fẹ́ràn sugar. And then I love you. Mo nífẹ̀ẹ́ rẹ. I love you. Mo nífẹ̀ẹ́ rẹ. I love you. Mo nífẹ̀ẹ́ rẹ. And then we have they threw the ball. They threw the ball. Wọ́n ju bọ́ọ̀lù náà. Wọ́n ju bọ́ọ̀lù náà. If you notice in Yoruba language and then in English language, the article D always comes before what it is modifying. But in Yoruba language, the article D comes last. Like as we have they threw the ball. Wọ́n ju bọ́ọ̀lù náà. That náà is what we have as article D in the English language. So let's continue. We also have Biden became president, which is Biden di ààrẹ. Biden became president. Biden di ààrẹ. And then we climbed the tree. We climbed the tree. A gun igi náà. We climbed the tree. A gun igi náà. He shout at him. He shout at him. Ó pariwo mọ́ han. He shout at him. Ó pariwo mọ́. And then he stole it. OGE. He stole it. OGE. He stole it. OGE. And then they played football. They played football. The pronoun they is a pronoun in the subject position. Played is the verb, and then football is the object. They played football. Wọ́n gbá bọ́ọ̀lù. They play football. Wọ́n gbá bọ́ọ̀lù. And then he couldn't go today. He couldn't go today. Kò lè lọ lónìí. He couldn't go today. Kò lè lọ lónìí. And then that's what we have for sentence structure in the Yoruba language. I can't list all the sentences that we have. You know, sentences are open-ended. You can form it the way you want. So that's just the pattern, the subject first, and then the verb, and then the object. But the slight difference we have between English and Yoruba is that English will always have the, for example, before the object, English use article D sometimes if there's a need for article D to be introduced in the sentence. English use it before the final object, but in Yoruba introduces it last. That he threw the ball. Oju bọ́ọ̀lù náà. Náà is D in English, and then it comes last. So that's it for sentence structure in the Yoruba language. There's actually a video that I highly recommend that you see, and that's the first person, second person, and third person in the Yoruba language, because there's no way you will speak any language in the world without understanding the basics of the first person, second person, and third person. I will put a link to the description of that video in the description below. I highly recommend you to watch that video. You might see that a lot of jargons are there, but just pick what you're able to pick now, and then watch it over and over again, and then you'll be more perfect. If you understand that video very well, the first person, second person, and third person, it will actually put you on a very good track to understanding Yoruba, and also make all of that lessons that I'm going to be taking on this our channel makes sense to you, and including this lesson as well. So please kindly support me by liking and subscribing to this channel. Thank you very much. See you in another video.